Hi kids, it's me, Mrs. Clark. Today we are going to make a catapult. A catapult is used to throw things a long distance. So you're going to need a few things here. These sometimes are called tongue depressors. We call these big craft sticks. You're going to need some fuzzies or marshmallows, something to put into the catapult to flip out and see how far it can go. You're going to need some rubber bands. You're going to need a plastic spoon or a lid of some sort. You can use a milk jug lid. You can use a milk jug lid. I used a top of a medicine container and I hot glued it on. So you'll need some help having a parent hot glue it onto a stick. You should have one that's already hot glued on there. You need, if you glue it with regular glue, that's fine. You need to let it set overnight to dry. All right, first things we're going to do is we're going to make this part. This part's easy. It has 4 sticks to it. So you're going to pick up 4 of the craft sticks and you're going to lay them on top of each other, just like that. So far so good, so easy. You're going to hold them in one hand. You're going to make sure they're all lined up. You're going to take a rubber band and you're going to, around the end, you just want around the end, you want to twist the rubber band to hold them tight. And then you're going to do that to the other side. Real easy. Okay. You're going to take your rubber band, you're going to twist it, twist it, twist it until it's held tight. All right, that part's done. You're going to need to take the part with the lid on it and another craft stick. That one's broken. Let's try this one. And you're going to the back of this one, line them up, and at the bottom, this one's the bottom here, not at the lid area, but at this bottom, you're going to take another rubber band and you're going to twist the rubber band around the bottom. All right, so almost done. You're going to lift these 2 open and you're going to stick the group of 4 inside. So it looks like this. Now, the distance when you flip these, the distance that it goes could depend on how far in you push this or how far out you push it. So let's try one now. All right, I'm going to slide it in. I'm going to use one of these marshmallows that we used for another craft. I put it in the lid. I'm going to hold the group of 4 down. I'm going to take my finger and push down on the lid and watch it fly. Now, that one went up and came down, kind of right in front of me. It didn't go flying over there. So I'm going to slide this back a little bit. I'm going to put the marshmallow back in, and I'm going to put my finger down and flip it. Ooh, that one went out further. I'm going to slide it back just a little bit more, put it in. I'm going to flip it one more time. Now, depending on how much pressure I put here on the edge of the lid and how far up and down this slides and where I put the marshmallow on the cap will depend on how far it goes. So now I'm not going to push it all the way down like I did last time. Ooh! It went all the way over the computer. So what I want you to do is experiment with this, sliding it back and forth, seeing how far you can go, how high you can go, because you saw one of mine went up and down like this. One went over the computer long. All right, so that's one way to do this one. So here we have another way. We're going to take our spoon. We're going to put it, this is called the bowl of the spoon. Okay, that's where you put your cereal in. That's where you pour it in, get it into your mouth, right? So I'm going to take a craft stick and put it right underneath there. I'm going to take, so it's like this. I'm going to take a rubber band, and at the end of my spoon, I'm going to twist the rubber band on so it stays tight. So we have these two together. I'm going to take my group of 4 and I'm going to slide it in between the spoon, just like that. All right. Now I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the other one. Take my marshmallow, put it in the bowl of the spoon, and I'm going to flip. Well, that didn't go very far. Let's slide it back, put it in, oh, right into my glue container. So look and experiment with that. Once you're done experimenting with that, we are not done. Oh no, we are not done. We're going to take that part and we're going to leave it on the spoon. We're going to take another craft stick and put it underneath. We're going to put the rubber band at the end. Now, this one that has 4, you're going to carefully open up the 2 sticks. Slide that one in, and let's see how far these go. You're going to hold it by the stick. You're going to flip it by the stick at the bottom. All right, now let's slide it back. Oh, that one went backwards. Let's slide it all the way forward and see what we can do. Hold it by the stick. And that one landed on my computer again. All right, so then you can experiment like that. After you get done doing all those experiments, the one with the lid, the one with the spoon, the one with the spoon and the stick, now what we're going to experiment is with the group of 4, the group of 4 sticks. I want you to take the rubber bands off now. I want you to add 2 more sticks to the pile. Let's see if making this taller will make it go further. Wrap the end again. Take the rubber band, wrap the end. Now, go back to your lid. Slide it into the lid. Ooh, look how far it spreads out that way. Get your marshmallow again. Put it in the lid. Wow, that one went far. Let's try another marshmallow, and we're going to slide it back. That one landed on the computer again. Ah, that worked better, having more than 4 sticks. Let's see if it works better with the stick and the spoon. So I have the stick and the spoon again. I'm going to slide it in. Let's see if it works better with the stick and the spoon. Reload, slide it forward, fling it. That one just went right up in the air. Let's slide it back a little bit, put it in. That one went backwards again. Let's see if we can change that. We're going to take the rubber band off. We're going to put the second stick. So we have 2 sticks and a spoon. Rubber band them together again. Spread the sticks apart. Add the group of 6 in there. Slide it all the way down. Marshmallow in, load it. Ready, set. Whoops, hold on that. Woo! That was great. Let's see if we can slide it backwards. Do it again. I wonder if I don't push down very hard if it'll go very far. Nope. All right. Let's see if I push it up further again, and I'm going to use a little fuzzy. Let's see how far that'll go. Woo! Over the computer again. Oh, here's a tenner. That's a 10 fuzzy. Let's see how far that can go. Ready? That one went over the table. All right. This is your catapult. 3 different experiments in one. Make sure to post online on Dojo and show me what your pictures are. I hope you had a good time with this experiment. I hope to see you again. Remember, I love you. Bye.